Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super valuable skill in Photoshop, how to blend a picture seamlessly into your background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to combine two images so the result looks polished and professional, perfect for creative projects, social media posts, or even that eye-catching thumbnail you've been wanting to make. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop. If you don't have it already up and running, this is your starting point. Think of it as unlocking a toolbox full of creative possibilities. Once you're in, we'll need two main files, your background image and the image you want to blend into it. To import these, just drag and drop your files directly into Photoshop or use the File menu and hit Open. Arrange your images so your background is on one layer and your main photo, the one to be blended, is on another layer sitting above it. This setup is crucial because Photoshop works in layers, kind of like stacking transparent sheets on top of each other. Now, select the image you want to blend. Look over at your Layers panel and make sure the correct layer is highlighted before you move forward. Next up, you're going to add a layer mask. You can do this by clicking the little rectangle icon with the circle in it at the bottom of the Layers panel. Layer masks are a powerful feature in Photoshop. They allow you to paint away parts of your image without erasing anything permanently. Think of it as putting on a digital mask. You control which parts hide and which parts show, all without damaging your original photo. Here's where the real blending happens. Grab the paintbrush tool from the toolbar on the left. Now, pay close attention here. Your brush's foreground color must be set to black. In mask mode, painting with black essentially hides parts of the image, while white will reveal them. If your foreground isn't black already, just click the color swatch at the bottom left and pick pure black. It's like using invisible ink to gently erase edges and blend them into your background. Begin painting along the edges of your main image, focusing on the boundaries between your photo and the background. Take your time with this step. Don't rush it. You'll notice as you paint, parts of your image start to softly disappear, merging beautifully with the backdrop. If you're new to this, start with a soft brush and a low opacity. This gives you smooth transitions and a lot more control. Imagine you're blending two colors of paint on a canvas. You want them to flow together naturally, rather than having a harsh, obvious line between them. If you paint a little too far and hide more than you wanted, don't worry. Simply switch the brush color back to white and brush over the area to reveal it again. This is the beauty of using a layer mask. You can tweak and adjust until you get just the look you want. Keep refining, painting, and adjusting until your image looks like it's truly part of the background. The difference can be night and day. Suddenly, your subject will no longer look plunked on top, but smoothly integrated as if it was always there. After all, natural blending is what takes an image from just okay to wow. And there you have it. You've just learned how to blend a picture with its background in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions or want to share your own results, drop a comment below. I love hearing how these tips help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy blending.